Welcome to the updated Real Power Industrial website. We have made some enhancements to make it easier to find the equipment and the parts you are looking for. On the homepage, when looking for equipment, you can search Explore Our Products and find the different categories of the equipment. You can also navigate to the Products page. On this page, you can use this scroll bar to search the different categories and products, or you can simply scroll down to find the products that you're looking for. If you already have Real Power equipment and are looking for parts, we've also made that process simpler. Simply navigate to the parts and service and buy parts. On this page, we've made available parts that you can buy online or parts that you can request. To buy parts online, you simply click Buy Parts, and you'll find the different parts that are available for that piece of equipment, add it to cart, and purchase it. If the parts are not available for online purchase, you can simply request parts by clicking on the gray button, Request Parts. It will come up with a contact form that you can fill out and submit to request that part. We hope you find these enhancements helpful, and please don't forget to sign up for our latest updates by joining our list. You can find that under Contact Us and subscribe to emails. Simply add in your email address and we'll keep you up to date on our latest products and innovations. Thanks for your time.